You're giving Drake lover.
Drake. Oh my.
Ew!
What?
You're giving Drake.
Wait, you literally said DJ Pookie.
Ah,
No!
Oh,
exposed.
yes.
Actually, even I know
Do you
that.
remember that song? Oh, you said that's the very last.
That was before the allegations, okay?
There's something wrong with that man.
Well, he was being a baby girl, okay?
Little did you know. This is a baby girl's girl.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not the pedophile.
Mhm.
What is Aaron joining?
Ah,
Why? Better music? Is it Billie Eilish? Girl.
Now. Baby, get it up, baby, get it up.
I can't exit! Ayun, exit ko na. Bruh.
Midnight snack.
I lost.
Look, it's Fireboy and Water Gun.
Ang lakas kasi ng mga nasa red
Bones?
eh. Look at that guy.
Imagine Dragons? Are you kidding?
Yeah, there's no way.
Bones better!
No!
Oh, I'm beating this guy.
You're 10.
Okay, let's go. Game starting soon. Game start.
Wait, let me join.
What's the better music taste?
Listen to song.
After Dark, I love this song.
I like that song. It's a TikTok song, right?
Song.
Ah, yeah, I'm sorry. Sorry, no chance. I'm choosing
That's
After Dark.
JM's top song.
That's my song.
Really? Not my vibe, dog.
Hey, how dare you not like that? That's the
Hey,
KR.
hello.
Really?
Hello.
Hey, hello.
We're gonna fight then.
Why I'm the only one here?
Ah!
Hey, there's only three of us.
The representatives.
Ah! Oh, bitch.
Guys, flank this guy.
Oh, bitch.
JM. Ah!
Kino! Kino, you're
Ah!
Get
the
this
hell is
sweat.
Gian?
Get this sweat out of here.
Oh, he has a freaking gun?
He has a freaking gun?
I died.
Mm.
You'll actually love. Ew, why are you dancing like that? What the freak?
That sweat
Okay, next
wasn't gonna
song.
win. He had no chance.
Or
Oh, I like that song.
Wants to rule.
hey.
Oh my god! I like. Okay.
The 2016 core.
I'm
No,
sorry,
that-
pero I feel like if I was gonna choose one, if I was gonna put one up in my playlist, I mean, both of these are in. No, I wanna.
Both of these
Ay,
are in
fuck.
my list.
I'm fucked. Ate, the 2016 core,
Ay,
I've never
closer
changed
is
it.
good,
If
closer
I
is
put it in,
Baby,
Oh
for
my
me.
God. we're cooked.
And the
We're so
backseat
cooked.
of your
We're so cooked.
that I love you can't afford. But that tattoo on your shoulder, Puma Risada.
Ano ra?
My wrist.
Closer wins. Closer wins. Closer solos. Go, Iran, go! You're gonna die.
Oh, I tried, guys. I tried.
Closer is so good. Okay, next.
What is this?
Okay, what's this? Alright. No, no chance. Guys, we're gonna lose.
Oh, already know.
I already know. I'm sorry. I'm not. Look at this. These are 10-year-olds.
I'm
These
so
are 10-year-olds.
sorry,
I'm sorry.
Demon Slayer. Boku wa
Ate, it's so oversaturated. It's so, I don't like it. It's like sobra.
doshita tengo
We're cooked, whoever is with Rap God. We're cooked. Like, we are...
I'm sorry, Coco Michi. I'm killing her. Kidro, you're gonna die, Kidro.
I'm getting bombed.
Oh, I'm doing the floss. I'm doing the floss.
Game starts.
Boku pa.
Boku.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I like line without that.
Oh
I don't know, guys.
am a
I'm sorry, but
when
World
I'm
Cup,
without
you are never, you're not
I
having a
need
good
you
game.
in those days. Girl, whoever
Ate, pag nag-World Cup sila, matatawa ako. These are like 10-year-olds. Like,
What if it's just me?
Ay!
Yeah!
Ang babaho nyo lahat. World Cup.
World Cup.
Aray ko.
World Cup. I don't.
What?
Oh, you got a
World
double
Cup.
kill.
Ay, grabe si Kuya ng balibag.
Boku wa
Get sauce.
alive and down. Oh,
Baby, I am perfect when I'm with you.
I need
What's next?
you here to stay. Okay.
I love Skyfall. Hear the
Oh, this
song.
song.
Standing. Ew.
These are like two
Sorry, but
two base.
Skyfall is giving villain.
Yeah, it's giving enemies to
Dream On
lovers.
is giving, I don't know what that gives.
Dream on.
I feel like
Dream
they're like
on.
Dream On!
Dream on.
Da.
Dream on. Dream on, guys.
Dream On! Da.
Ami.
Bitch,
You're gonna die. You're gonna die. You're gonna
hit him.
die.
What the hell, he's running?
Why is he so fast?
Because of he has
Dream
an
on.
item.
Dream On!
Let's
Oh
Oh my gosh, look at I'm hitting it.
Okay.
Parang the way I dance, parang yung sa ano, like when you have a house video, okay, and it's like there's like a dancing and then you're singing a dance, like a sad song or something.
I stood out a minute ago.
Oh yeah, I know that.
Oh, begging you.
I have to go for it.
Yeah, I was like,
This is so bad.
I like Little Dark Age then, but I like the slowed one better, not even the
Yeah.
original. I don't like the
I
original.
love begging because it's so funny.
Begging.
Begging you.
Beg. I feel like we're
Oh, no.
wow, begging you. Begging.
I think Red, we all have life. What the good time.
Ano daw?
Ano sabi niya? We all have
Begging you.
Okay, what about your... Ano daw sabi niya?
Ate,
Okay,
10 years
who
old
asked
siya.
about your life? I
They're
asked.
fighting, guys.
No, I'm sorry. There's no one. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Oh!
Oh, dancing queen,
yes.
100%. I'm sorry.
Oh!
There is no shot.
Oh,
There is no
oh.
I
shot.
swear.
Kings and queens are
Oh.
really.
Kings and queens in dancing. We are the kings.
I'd rather be a dancing queen than kings and
Oh,
queens.
definitely
I love
dancing.
kings and queens as well, but
You
dancing queen,
know. Ibang
it's
Max
so
ka na
low.
yun
I'm
dati.
sorry.
Oh, kings and queens.
Ay, ate, the one person! Ah, he's hitting all of us, nice.
Punish.
No, he's gonna die.
Ow! How is
He
he
hit
hitting all
so
of us?
bad. Ow!
We were all dying to him.
What is happening?
He's dying.
Oh, there, he's dying.
Beating
Kill
us.
him.
I died.
Kill him!
Guys! Guys! Please.
Hey! Nasama ka na.
Ooh.
Wait, why don't I have that emote?
Ate, papalit-palit lahat.
Oh,
She ate you.
shut up.
Oh!
Oh, I like it.
Ayun!
Even though she's not a good person, I like the song.
Oh!
Oh!
That was both of
Oh my god!
Aldo, yan.
Although I play this more. I'm going to what I play more.
No, I love both songs. What the
I'm
hell?
going to the more I play, like the one I'm playing more.
I guess you
So gently. Oh, no.
Oh,
Alan.
Okay.
No, they have the strong guy.
No, the sweat is here.
The sweat.
Mother
You
blood.
mother blancher.
Kill all of them. Kill all of them from the back. Kill all of them from the back. We target them from the back.
Mother blood, you're gonna die, Aaron. You're gonna die.
Ay, ba't ka nila tamahan teammate natin?
No!
Aaron! Is the sweat dead?
I need to.
The
I
sweat
need to
is not
sing my
fighting, no?
song.
The sweat is not dead.
Go sweat.
I need to sing my song, please.
Oh! He's gonna kill all of us.
Oh my god.
Oh!
Ah!
Go sweat. I love you.
Oh
The
no.
sweat.
Sad boy vibes.
Sad
No!
boy.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, my name.
The way he's dancing.
I was getting it now.
I was getting eaten up though, not even going in. What are the weapons?
Okay,
How
next
much?
song.
Oh, I can't. Oh!
Oh.
Wait, I don't know.
Samagashi.
I honestly don't know.
I'm going for Samagashi.
I don't know.
No, I have to go with Olivia.
I played this more though. I played this more. Pero driver's license so good, dog. Pero I played this more. Kasi,
Oh no, I feel like I'm the only one here.
no, marami. Oh!
Ayan.
Mother Roger.
Call out
Oh,
my
bitch.
name.
Oh,
Wait.
bitch.
Wait, what
Oh,
am I
man.
got to?
Ah!
It won't let me. Or just got a double kill.
No! I could have killed that twice. I did kill him.
Hey, hey, I was gonna go driver's license, but I'm basing it off what I play for. Texas, Spotify. Ate,
I hit my ass.
I just don't like the lyrics, that's it.
Weird.
I hate both of these songs.
Yeah, I don't like both of these songs, but if I'm gonna have to choose
I'm gonna go
one.
for Imagine Dragons.
Yeah, honestly.
Look into my eyes.
It's where my demon.
Ako lang yata mag-isa dito. Shit.
Not the demonic. When you feel my
Running.
my heart, where my demons hide, where my demons hide. Don't get too close.
Lock in, lock in.
Lock in this bitch. Bitch. Ow!
Oh no, I'm getting tag team! Oh my god, I just got
No!
banged.
Kill him.
Dash out.
Kinda sweat in this game.
How do I cash out? I can't.
It's just you and me, Sweat.
Just you and me sweat.
Done? Please! Not your demon scum! Yeah!
There might be. Ew.
Never
Huh?
mind.
Kumain lang kami.
Well, I want a new weapon, please.
It's 250 for a new weapon.
Well,
my God.
You're giving Natsuko.
Yeah!
Yeah.
In my BD, grind is solid. I know you wanna love, but I just wanna move. And I do. I gotta keep it real. And I don't even wanna say, I know you wanna be in my BD.
That's
Grind
getting
is
clipped.
solid. Get over yourselves. It's clearly the best song. It's clearly the best song. Look into my eyes. It's where that demons go. It's where the demons go.
Punish! Punish! Punish!
Punish, bitch. What's
Punish!
bitch? Pati parang skill. Nice.
I play Space Cadet more. Bed isn't even on my playlist. BD.
I got a new weapon.
Where?
Yes.
Oh, I have 559. Why am I not? Oh my gosh. Oh wait, my dad's asking for me lang. Paano pa?
It's alright.
From the TikTok
I
edit.
have to do that. I have to use it, guys.
Wait, how do you get weapons?
You go on the crate. 250.
Ayan, ang pangit.
You guys are gonna die. You guys are gonna die.
Marina, yeah. Some of your life.
How I died. Okay, I'm leaving this game.
Oh, girl, I'm leaving this game. Okay, let's leave this game. Next.
What about you play League of Legends?
You should.
Hello?
I kinda miss League of Legends.
Wait lang, I'm just gonna buy a crate first.
We're not there anymore, Aaron.
I know, pero I wanna buy a crate.
Huh?
You're in the bitch.
Ooh.
Valorant? Can you even play Valorant?
I don't have Valorant.
Nasa tran eh. Ba't kaya?
One more. I don't like this one.
May Mac Queen?
Please, a legendary weapon.
Oh, we could have played Left 4 Dead.
But, fuck me. Everything's...
Ay,
Sorry.
fuck me.
I mean, if you
Fuck me.
can, you know what I'm saying? Maybe.
Ayun, may fuck me, girl. Oh,
What?
what?
Pwede naman.
What?